Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to set the username and the email when working with Git. When we work with Git for the first time, there are some settings that should be configured, like the username and the email. To configure the username and the email when working with Git, we can do that using the git config command, and then we specify the level at which we want to configure these settings. For example, we can configure them at the system level using the -- system option if we want to configure them for all the users of the current computer. Or we can configure them at the global level if we want to configure the username and the email for all the repositories of the current user. And finally, we can also use the -- local option if we want to configure the username and the email only for the current repository. For us here, we will work with the -- global option to configure the username and the email for all the repositories of the current user. First of all, to configure the username, we will set the user.name to the name of the current user. For me, I will set it to my name. The same for configuring the email, so we will use the same command. Just here, instead of user.name, we will set user.email to the email of the user. So I will set it to my email. So now the username and the email are configured. We can also use the git config command to configure the default editor used by Git. By default, Git will use Vim, but we can change that using the same command, the git config command. We continue with the -- global option, and now we will set the default editor used by Git using car.editor. And then we specify the editor that we want to use when working with Git. For me, I want Git to work with VS Code. So here I will set it to code with the -- wait option to tell the terminal to wait until we close the new opened VS Code window. Now to verify and view the global settings, we can use the git config command -- global, and then we will use the -e option to open the global settings in edit mode. So let's press enter. So here we have different sections. First of all, we have the user section. We find here the name and the email, so they are configured as we specify using the git config command. And then we have the core section where we set the editor to code to let Git work with VS Code instead of Vim. If we go back here to the terminal, we find that the terminal is waiting for us to close the file, and that's because here we are using the -- wait option. So now when closing the file, we'll go back to the terminal and we can continue executing commands. So let's close this file. So now we can continue executing commands. So that's how we can configure the username, the email, and the editor when working with Git. I hope that everything is clear, and thank you very much.